Hi everyone, this is my beginning level strategy for my ELLs. It is called Enhanced Material and Collaborative Learning. So basically, our beginning ELLs have little or no ability to read, write, or understand English, and they are very dependent on visuals. And graphic organizers are a great way to help adapt academic language. And we are meeting the TEKs by defining what science is. And here we can see that our word that we are defining is science, and we are given the textbook definition of the use of evidence to construct testable explanations and predictions of the natural phenomena. And we have already met the TEKs there, but we go on in this graphic organizer and have our students write their own definition of what they think science means. And I wrote the study of the natural world, and that's what I think of when I think of science. And then they are having to use this word in a sentence to help their understanding of what science is. And I put that science is always changing, and we can get lots of different answers because it's a very broad subject. And then here is where the visual comes into play. They are not given a visual, they have to draw one. But I think that if they draw one, it'll really stick in their heads. And in here we have a picture of the natural world that I drew with living organisms and the sun and things like that. And the way that it's collaborative is that after the presentation is given by the teacher, the students will be given this handout, and they are supposed to work on it by themselves. And then once they get close to finishing, or if they're stuck, or just near completion, they are to get into collaborative groups. And these groups should be consisted of a beginning ELL, a higher proficiency ELL, and then a native speaker, so they can all help each other out if they get stuck. So I think that is very beneficial to them because they are able to interact with the students and things like that. Overall, it's just a really great way to help build their vocabulary because they don't have any, and we're engaging them in social interactions and complex thinking. So I think that'll motivate them and benefit them for their academic progress. Thank you.